Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Sarah claims that there's this point 2 and -4 that lies on this line, y equals to x minus 5. Do you agree with Sarah? How do we know whether a point is on a line or a graph? So let's see. Well, all we have to do, we can use this method where we are going to substitute the value of x and check for the value of y. So that's what is going to happen. I am going to substitute my x as 2 into the equation, and let's see what happens. What y value does it gives me? So 2 minus 5. So to highlight, yes, my x now is 2. And this will actually give me -3. And when I compare this with this, are they the same? No, they are not. And therefore, since I do not agree, okay? Since y does not equal to -4, okay? 2 -4 does not lie on y equals to x minus 5. We have successfully come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.